Alright guys, so I'm actually shooting this on the exact same day as I'm finishing the car. So if you guys didn't see that video yet, go ahead and watch that video. It'll be probably the one right before this, I think. We'll see. Not sure. But the last final step that I want to do as of tonight is getting my diffuser done. So another thing is this is going to be over PLASTI-DIP. So this is going to be on some territory that's kind of uncharted and unknown. But I have seen a couple of people that have tried it, and it actually has come out good, and it doesn't have a weird reaction to it. At least if you use the correct paint, which is this one. I'm using Rust-Oleum Stop Rust, just normal enamel paint. So I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. So boom, I taped it all up, and as of right now, it actually looks not bad. If you guys been following me a long time on this channel, you guys know that my exhaust is super janky because I have not figured out the right one that I want for the right sound and all that yet. Oh my god, I'm like super burpy today. But that's what it looks like so far. It actually looks pretty nice. I'm letting it dry out a little bit more. Probably put one more coat on there and it'll be pretty much good. Gotta get in the cracks and crevices though right here. You guys can probably tell. But yeah, it's actually doing really well over the PLASTI-DIP. Another thing is I have these little like boomerang things right here. What do you guys think? Should I do that in black as well? That'll probably be another day because it's gonna be more intensively taping up stuff. I actually have the same in the front as well. And if I was to do the black for the back ones, I'd probably do the exact same for these front ones right here, right there. But yeah, we'll see if how hard it is to mask that off and do that. I'm actually probably gonna have to get more material for that. Actually, we gotta get more tape and stuff. But so far, the diffuser good. I'll get back to you guys when we get to the second coat. All right, guys. So I actually only put 1.5 kind of coats on it. The first coat was thick because I had PLASTI-DIP on it already, so I didn't really do it very slowly or anything like that. But this is how it came out. Boom, you guys see that down there? Probably really hard to actually see, but actually came out looking pretty cool. So I might end up actually doing the boomerang things soon. We'll see how it goes, but here, I'll let you guys get in closer. Also, you guys can see the flaws right there. A little bit of overspray down there as well. And that's the main one right there, which kind of sucks, but it's okay. I think what I'm gonna try to do actually is get the PLASTI-DIP when it, like, maybe tomorrow, and see if I can just take a paintbrush to it and see if it would actually work the same, or you know, anything like that at all. Otherwise, from far away, you don't even notice it. So I think it came out okay. All right, guys. So with that, even with the flaws, I think it looks really cool, and it's something I did by myself. I'm really proud of this whole thing anyway. So again, if you guys didn't watch that video, go ahead and watch that video. This is the diffuser video, and yeah, tune in for the next video. I'm taking videos like everywhere. Tune in next time on the channel because we are going to be doing a full walk around, and I'll show you guys what is good, what is bad, what I wish that it would be better, and what I can take and give you guys if you guys are trying to do this. Is PLASTI-DIP if you guys are trying to do this for your car. And yeah, see you guys on the next video.